Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the dAppstore token. Now the dAppstore token is listed on CoinMarketCap. It's doing amazing right now. It's in the top gainer section. It's up 150% in the past 24 hours. Ticker symbol is DAPPX. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. Before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the dAppstore token. So this is an Ethereum token. They do have the contract address available on CoinMarketCap. But if I scroll down and I look at which markets this token is available on, it does not say Uniswap, and I was just scrolling through their Etherscan. I did not see any Uniswap purchases. If you know that it is available on Uniswap or some other DEX, you can throw that in the comment section down below. But all it says on CoinMarketCap is that it is listed on KUCOIN, and that's also what it says on like 5 pages that I scrolled through on their Etherscan. So if you want to get this token, you're going to have to get a KUCOIN account by downloading that app from the mobile app store, Google Play Store, or get it on your PC. And then open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol DAPPX, and then simply just buy the token that way off of KUCOIN. It's like I said, it's doing amazing today, up 150% right now. Their webpage is dAppstore.me. They have a Medium, a Twitter, 2 different Telegrams, full white paper listed on CoinMarketCap here. If you go on their Etherscan, they also have a Facebook. Looks like they have a contact email on here. 18 decimal places on this token. It says they have 534 holders so far, 4,958 transfers. Max total supply of this token is 1.5 billion tokens. So what is the dAppstore? So if you go to their white paper, it's pretty lengthy. They give a lot of background history, all sorts of things about what are tokens, what is Ethereum, what's a blockchain, all that type of stuff. So you got to scroll a decent amount till you actually find info on the actual dAppstore and their token. So if you go around to about page 7, it starts really getting into what dAppstore is. So the functions of dAppstore: by bringing blockchain dApps into one place, dAppstore delivers an infrastructure that users can easily access. Developers can expect to minimize the development time by addressing users' needs of several blockchain networks at once without having to consider other browsers, internet environments, and technical knowledge of users. dAppstore processes an infrastructure in which users, developers, and platforms are organically linked from product to supply, consumption, and distribution so that all participants can contribute to the ecosystem. It's got multiple network support, so dAppstore supports dApps of various blockchain networks. dApps implemented in different mainnets also support atomic swap, which allows the exchange of Ethereum, EOS, Clayton, TRX, etc. via Accent's own Ocean, which is Osiris Crypto Engine Accent interface, allowing the user of native token particularly suitable for dApp. And so it compares current DEXs to dAppstore here, shows the process here from moving Ethereum, TRX, and Clayton. Through the Accent's Osiris browsers, users can manage cryptocurrency with a single wallet in the App Store. If they have the necessary cryptocurrency, they can change it with the cryptocurrency they own. It fixes the cryptocurrency exchange, which was a chronic issue while using Dapp. and there is no need to install different wallets for each network. Users are free to use any dApps without having to respond individually to each pertaining environment. At present, most of the Ethereum network dApps are available, and additionally, dApp rendering functions of TRX, Clayton, and DOT networks are under development. So it's got a desktop-only application. Dapp operates only when there is an extension program in a regular web browser. dAppstore delivers an environment that does not need an extension installation program via the Osiris browser. Furthermore, through a web browser and rendering, it is possible to operate the dAppstore from the desktop application and services such as DeFi, DEX, without installing a separate extension program. Games can be used in one place. dAppstore is optimized and operated on Osiris's browser. Consumers who do not use Osiris can use the dAppstore via desktop application. Osiris and dAppstore can be logged in with a single sign-on, so a similar service can be used in both browsers and applications. So it goes over the Accents Osiris browser on here, and Dapp publishing platform. It's got a big section on that you could read about. So it also has play to earn. It's got playtime rewards, evaluation rewards, and referral rewards. So those are 3 different ways that the user can earn from the Dapp. It also has an NFT Marketplace. So it goes over what that is. I mean, we should all know what an NFT Marketplace is by now if we're into crypto. It's also got a branding service it offers. So there's lots of utilities going on here. It goes over the dAppstore economy of the user, developer, and platform if you want to check that out. The dAppstore ecosystem, how it has the play to earn, blockchain connection, payment of fees, advertising, marketing, user, what does that say, interface. This is like the tiniest print ever. I mean, it's a very extensive white paper with very tiny print. So the native digital cryptographic secured utility token of the dAppstore is the DAPPX. It is transferable representation of attributed functions specified in the protocol code of dAppstore, which is designed to play a major role in the functioning of the ecosystem on the dAppstore and intended to be used solely as the primary utility token on the platform. However, the service provided will be updated according to country-specific regulations. So yeah, I mean, where I'm from, I can't even use KUCOIN. In Ontario, Canada, you can't even use certain you can't use certain dApps and applications, central exchanges that come from certain countries because of regulation. So it's, you know, kind of crazy. So I can't even get this token. But yeah. Anyways, yeah. So the DAPPX token is also a reward token, which is, you know, rewarded for those things I was talking about earlier. And they also have governance too as well involved with this token. Token allocation, we already went over. Total supply is 1.5 billion. And it's split up between reserve, team, partner, marketing, dev, and sale. And they have token allocation on their white paper. Very extensive 30-page white paper. You can check it out. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about dAppstore and this token here? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.